Cape United is a school that sources young Africans and develops their students' life and football skills. It is an organization that trains pupils for professional league whilst giving their students an education. Each player is required to pass trials and maintain a high standard of soccer skills.
Okay, my name is Sibusiso Nkuta. I live in Gugulethu.
My name is Lucky Shumbela, and I'm staying in Gugulethu.
Yeah, soccer is my dream that I always dream about.
It's an important thing. As I play soccer, I play with passion.
The school ultimately benefits the pupils' lives and secures the future for the players.